What is going on, Rocket Lab investors? So today we are at $10.81 and the after hours still $10.81, but holding solid in the high tens. Absolutely awesome. And first off, I want to know your thoughts and opinions on how you think it's going to go on Monday. Do you think Rocket Lab's going to go up, down? Do you think we're going to stay in the 1080 range? I want to hear that info. I appreciate hearing your thoughts and opinions. So please comment down below. It will definitely help the channel. But we are at a market cap of 5.37 billion, and I want to go over a news article that came out on Yahoo on why Rocket Lab USA is the worst aerospace stock to buy according to short sellers. So I do not believe in anything in regards to this. This is just their article. I thoroughly believe in Rocket Lab. I have faith in Rocket Lab. I am invested heavily in Rocket Lab, but apparently to short sellers, this is what they believe. So as we all know, Rocket Lab is an end-to-end space company that designs and manufactures spacecraft and spacecraft components, small and medium class rockets, and related services and software to support the space economy. It delivers spacecraft designs, reliable launch services, spacecraft components, space manufacturing, and other orbit and space management solutions. So that pretty much covers what Rocket Lab does. So apart from its long-term competitive edge, the company is delivering solid fundamentals. Revenue for Q2 2024 surpassed $100 million for the first time in company history, reaching $106 million. It also achieved a 15% quarter-on-quarter increase and 71% year-on-year increase, showing the company's continued strength in offering and diversified services and products. This growth is primarily driven by significant growth in its space systems business and increased launches. As of Q2, the company's backlog sits at more than $1 billion. So they rank Rocket Lab as the first among the 10 worst aerospace stocks to buy now, according to short seller. And they say, while we acknowledge the potential of Rocket Lab as an investment, our conviction lies in the belief that AI stocks hold greater promise for delivering higher return, and in doing so within a shorter time frame. If you're looking for an AI stock that's more than promising than Rocket Lab, click this link. Yeah, I think this article is so ridiculous. I'm surprised they put this up. I don't know how you could rank Rocket Lab as first, considering like you've got Redwire and other companies that have been struggling. And I think it's really wrong to kind of compare these two and rank Rocket Lab on here compared to AI stocks. Yes, AI stocks you can make a ton of money on shorter, but you can also lose a ton. Is it going to be kind of pretty crazy with AI going forward? Yeah, I definitely think there's going to be billions and billions of dollars invested and to be made in AI stocks, but that doesn't mean Rocket Lab is first. If, in my opinion, Rocket Lab is the number one space company, ignoring SpaceX. We'll say public space stocks, because Rocket Lab, just management, Peter Beck, they continue to deliver, and it's just shocking and amazing how well they've done. So I know a lot of people, when the price shot up from $9 to $11, a lot of people were talking about there was a short squeeze, how all the short sellers thought it was going to go down, but it went up, so that's how they lose money. You could watch a few videos on short selling. It's pretty crazy. It is insane gambling, and you've got to be... You're a different kind of person if you short sell. But there's always chatter that there's going to be a short squeeze because there's so many people shorting Rocket Lab, meaning they hope it fails. But consistently it keeps going up and they keep delivering, and they're just doing a great job. So I truly love this company. I think Peter Beck is amazing. He is a great CEO, owner of the company. And I think he's definitely going to take us to a $20 stock price, maybe even $30. And again, I really think we're going to go beyond that if they create a constellation, and the constellation is going to be the money maker. There's money in internet, and I think if they can even capture just a portion of what Starlink is doing, this will get them all the money that they need, and Peter Beck can do all his side missions and items and things that he wants to do in space. He needs money to do that, but he needs a successful company, and I think the only way he's going to get there is with a constellation. And I hope we get there. I truly do, because that money would be really helpful for me right now. But it's going to be a long ride. I see this going maybe 5 to 10 years, and then maybe hopefully we'll be somewhere in the $20 to $50 range, maybe even $100. Who knows? It's moving so fast that anything could happen. But yeah, I just want you to be aware that this article came out. I think it's pretty crazy that they rank Rocket Lab first, but then again, they're probably looking at, SpaceX? Are they thinking that SpaceX is going to destroy Rocket Lab, which I hope that never happens? But that is a possibility. So I want to hear your thoughts and opinions on this. Do you have faith? Are you one of the people that believe that Rocket Lab is a bad investment and it's going to go down? Or are you with me riding this train hoping that we just score a boatload of money? So comment down below. I appreciate you watching. I hope you have a great day. But as always, do your own research, but have some fun. This video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research and consult a professional before making any financial investments.